No 2 days are the same, are they? Heavy, heavy rain today. We can't have sunshine all the time. But I'm well prepared. I've got all my waterproofs on. I caught a glimpse of Mrs. Fox this morning. Either Mrs. Fox or Mr. Fox. But he was running somewhere in a hurry. Have a look. I think he was chasing the red squiggles. I seen something fascinating. A flying leaf floating in the air. And Mr. Pheasant was amused by it. Look at him playing with this flying leaf. A once in a million lifetime sight, isn't it? Amazing. Actually, it was caught in a spider's web. A strand of the spider's web. Even Leafy himself couldn't believe what he was seeing. Right, may as well get your chores done. We've had a little bit of fun now. Get the work done. Let's go. Come along with me. This is Monday. At the weekend I was missing in action. I hadn't been able to get up to feed the birds and animals. I was having a break. But this morning I got this bread and the seeds and all the mixtures and made a little recipe for the birds and the animals. Added a little extra since I had been missing. I was pretty busy over the weekend. I was having a break and doing different things, so I hadn't been able to come up and feed the little creatures, the birds, the animals and the mice. So as you can see, this little one is very ravenous, munching away at the seed and the crumbs. It's funny because the birds were all waiting for me at the beginning of Leafy's Wood. They were all flying around my head and chirping away as if to say, "Where have you been? We've been waiting on you." I'd love to see inside Mrs. Mouse's house, just to see what it's like inside. Especially on a day like this when it's wet. I think inside, I've had a little glimpse inside and it is bone dry, so this tree stump. And I've also seen a little shrew alongside the mouse, so it's not just residential for the mice, there's shrews and everything inside here. But I'd love to see inside. I could just visualize it in my mind. Little couches, little lamps, pictures on the wall. Yeah, just like in Wind in the Willows. It's great to have an imagination, isn't it? Well, being an artist, you have to have a great imagination to create all those paintings. But this is lovely. I'm sitting here filming Mrs. Mouse. I've got the umbrella up and I'm bone dry as well. But let's have a little look at Mrs. Mouse having her lunch. Lovely. Well, I've had a good day, and I've got a little bit of filming done as well for the film bank. But I think it's time to head home. The rain's getting a little bit heavier. But luckily I brought the brolly. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this vlog video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.